Hello everybody, and welcome back. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up to encourage me to make more like it. Also, subscribe to my channel where you'll find other videos like this, as well as toolbox safety topic training videos and leadership training videos. Now let's get right into the weekly recap. First of all, it's nice to be back into my regular routine of visiting job sites. This past week I had the opportunity to visit 7 job sites and observe the leadership and the work habits of their team members. As usual, overall, I was pleased and impressed with the safe work attitudes and practices. However, there were a few areas in need of improvement and our training. First of all, fall protection. Ladders. Falls are the leading cause of injuries in the construction industry, and falls from ladders lead to packed and fall-related injuries. From time to time, use your morning safety meetings to address ladder inspection and proper use of. Use the PTP to document the hazards, to address the inspection criteria, and how to properly use ladders to prevent falls. Inspect the ladder prior to use. Fully extend the legs on a step ladder. Always use 3 points of contact while climbing a ladder. Always face the ladder. Keep your belt buckle inside the rails to maintain proper balance. And always secure extension ladders. Do not use chairs, 5-gallon buckets, milk crates, or other such items to work from. Get a ladder, inspect it, and use it properly. Holes. The OSHA standard requires that holes greater than 2 inches in diameter be covered to prevent objects from being dropped to a lower level. No one wants to be struck by a wrench or other object falling through a hole from the floor above. Electrical. Let's talk about GFCIs. A GFCI monitors the amount of current flowing from hot to neutral. If there is any imbalance, it trips the circuit. The GFCI senses a mismatch as small as 4 or 5 milliamps, and it can react as quickly as 1/30th of a second. The use of a GFCI is required when using electrically powered hand tools. More importantly, it is to protect the person using the tool from electric shock. Take the time to train on the hows and whys of GFCI usage. Required documents. Company EH&S and SDS handbooks are required to be available for review on every job. These are valuable resources for training and for having the knowledge of required corporate safety and operational information and procedures. Make sure that you have copies of each of these and that they are current and up to date. Equipment. Our duty to perform documented pre-start inspection is twofold in nature. Number one, it ensures that the equipment is safe to operate. And number two, it helps to hold the maintenance department accountable. Ask your manager how many times he's been charged for pre-existing damage to equipment because it wasn't noted when the machine or equipment arrived or while it was on the job site. Let's not let our safe and profitable jobs be charged for unnecessary equipment damage and or repairs. Final thoughts. Your attitude affects your environment. How are things going for you? Are you feeling stressed due to too much work and not enough time? Are you happy with the performance of your crews? Are they reacting to your instructions in a safe and efficient manner? Or is there disharmony? If things don't seem to be going the way you think they should, the first thing to do is to perform a self-assessment and If you still find your environment lacking in harmony and cohesiveness, then it may be time to speak to your manager for guidance. But remain open-minded to the possibility that it may be you and that you need to correct your own internal environment. Do not allow time constraints to diminish your safety state of mind. Stay focused on the project or task at hand. Also remember, proper sleep and diet, along with fresh air and exercise, has a large impact on how well you feel and behave. An old adage that I keep in mind is, you are how you think. So the question is, how do you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel where you'll find more videos like this, as well as toolbox safety training videos and leadership training videos. Until we see each other again, take care of yourself, look out for your coworkers, and I'll see you in the field.